Here are a few different ways to cut out images. The first option is select your image layer, and here just click on remove background. And in just few seconds, your image background will cut out just like this. And the second method is select the image layer and go to select, click on subject, and in just few seconds, your image subject will automatically select. Now press Ctrl Z and disable the background layer, and here you have the cutout image. Now let's see the last option to cut out an image. First of all, unlock the layer, then go to Window, click on Properties. Under Property, scroll down, and here expand Quick Actions, and then click on Remove Background, and your image will cut out, and here you have the subject. That's it for now.